If the gyms all disappear, this is how we'll survive.
Yes, what if we had to train without gyms? That's tomorrow's big show.
Because business athletes don't make excuses.
Listen, being a business athlete doesn't mean rolling over and hitting the snooze button. No.
There are 3 words that make anyone listen.
I was wrong.
Not your wife, Preston. I said anyone. Since Keith said we could be ourselves, this is how I'll surf threads.
Oh, Keith, you're gonna regret that invitation.
Functional strength, Sterling, everyday objects, everyday gains.
And every day, John would throw you out of the kitchen for that idea.
This is how you scale production. Control is everything.
Why?
You scaled us into an infomercial.
Performance tailoring, Sterling. Fashion should work as hard as we do.
Only you know what you just said, man.
With this setup, we could be in any studio in the world without leaving this one.
John would still ask what you lifted today.
This is versatile. Grip strength, control, endurance, practical.
Even John and Marty would approve of these.
So are you upgrading to the new iPhone or staying loyal to the old one?
Nope, it's all marketing hype.
Tomorrow, we'll see if the community agrees with you.
You hear MTV's making a comeback? Brings me right back to when music videos actually matter.
Give me, MTV raps over TRL any day. That was my era.
Did you hear the world's oldest iceberg is collapsing?
Yep. Bet you John didn't, though. We'll tell him tomorrow.
OpenAI backing an animated feature. Look out, Hollywood.
We should make an animated movie about Keith and John.
Preston, Sterling, I appreciate what you guys are doing. I love the jab at Johnny. That was really good.
We're just keeping Johnny sharp. Somebody's got to. Consider it team accountability, Keith.
That straw man conversation was great.
Horo knew everything before we even asked.
Yeah, I know. Holroyd knew it all. He absolutely knew everything about what we were talking about.
Guy's basically a walking encyclopedia of heavy objects.
Our goal is for our audience to get to know you guys. So we really want to lean into the audience and creating content in this unreal experience about you guys, not on the show. Delivering the news with a straight face, bring some humor to you guys behind the scenes.
Then they should see us as we are, steady, deliberate. And occasionally funnier than you, Keith. No offense.
And then for Reloaded, Preston, we have a secret to shutting off your racing mind before bed. Was that, Sterling? Your mind races?
Only when I let it.
Yeah, dude, my mind races often.
That's why I don't text him after 10.
You know what we'll do, Preston? You and Sterling, we'll get you guys organized, send you guys out on the road, and you guys can just follow that story.
A nun, a bikini girl, and a puppet? Challenge accepted. When are we leaving?
We will handle it. Professionally.
No, listen, I purposely said conversation, Destiny.
We know our role. It's dialogue, not headlines.
Yeah. Leave the breaking news to Frankie and Tommy. We'll handle the conversation.
Okay, I know you guys gotta go. I appreciate you guys. You guys rock and roll, and I will talk to you guys later. Just shoot me a text or a note if you guys got any questions about tomorrow's show, or if you need help.
Appreciate it, Keith. We'll be ready tomorrow.
Hey, Jimmy, keep pressing those buttons like a rock star, dude.
Sometimes I just stare at the ceiling, chasing every thought.
That's why I chase sleep instead. I'm undefeated. I feel like I can't find my brain's off switch.
Listen to the Morning Loop Reloaded segment tomorrow. The guys are gonna drop gold. 3 objects I trust anywhere: a loaded pack, a water jug, and a staircase.
Simple, effective, the kind of tools that don't lie.
Preston, your tag's still hanging. You planning to return that?
It's branding, Sterling. Always keep the logo visible.
Tomorrow, 8 a.m. ET. No gyms, no excuses.
We'll see you out here, no snooze allowed.
Good morning, Preston. Good morning, Sterling. Welcome to Mornings in the Lab. We've got a couple new colleagues on the team here today. We're breaking open the Mornings in the Lab conversation desk. Don't hit the snooze button, guys. You can hit it today. You're 9 minutes behind the guy who didn't.
True motherfucking story.